Today is Sunday, April 28th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado power door lock actuating solenoid activators. This is from my friend Chris in Michigan. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set where I've got the units fully assembled after having done a complete restoration. This is the subsequent video to video number 1. Video number 1 showed the units completely disassembled, whereby the catalytic igniters were exchanged, coils wound, and the plungers precision lapped, and of course lubricated and now reassembled and ready for testing under power. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll be looking for the extension and contraction of the units. Retraction, extension, retraction, extension, retraction, extension. Very powerful snap. Now I'm going to go ahead with one hand, so bear with me. I'm going to reconnect the power over to the other side. Okay, we'll be testing the other side. Retraction, extension, retraction, extension, retraction, extension. Very powerful snap again. So this will be shipping out to my friend Chris. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. Over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is the 28th. Thank you very kindly.